Alright. Well, how's it going, guys? It just started snowing as I pushed the record button. There go the geese. I'm up here feeding the animals. Had to fix a tire. Got a flat tire the other day, my trailer. If you guys are new to the channel, we had baby goats last year in the house. So last year? Last year? Yeah, last year, I think. Yeah, last year. So, one of those babies is pregnant and having babies. So she is at my parents' house in their kitchen. So I'm gonna take my enclosed trailer and turn it into a nursery barn for the goats. Hi guys. Good morning, everybody. So on my way to the house, to my parents' house with the trailer, I had a blowout. So you're fixing that, taking care of the birds, feeding everybody. And it is snowing and it's coming down now. I can hear it. Get some water. So yeah, I'm all bundled up. Got my warm clothes on. I don't know if you can see that. Nice hunting gloves on. Kind of cold today. So, got a little surprise for you guys here today. I haven't really said a whole lot about it, but if you guys are familiar with our channel here, we have all the pigeons inside this barn. It's all closed up. We set that one little gap for them to get some air. But before we put them all in there, we had them all in this pen with the guinea hens and the peacocks. And the peacock. But the raccoons found a way in there and killed a bunch of them on me. So I decided to take them out. Well, I trapped all the coons. Haven't had no problems since. But we have Mama and Papa Pigeon, which actually, that one there is their baby. I think we went with Athena. It was Hercules. We found out he is a she. So, Mama and Papa Pigeon and Baby Pigeon. Man, it is actually snowing pretty good. So, they're the only ones who successfully had a baby on the farm this year. And I'll tell you what. Come on, hold on, chill out. Chill out. Oh, there he is. So they were successful again, guys. Our little baby, he's not so little no more. I don't know if it's a boy or a girl, I don't know, but they seem to only successfully hatch one at a time, but let's see if I can grab him quick so he's not hurting himself. Hey. It's a little squeaker. Hold on. Trying to do this with my hand. Oh. Come on. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna hurt you. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he can fly. There he is, Mama and Daddy. There he goes. So yeah, now we are successfully 2 babies. With those guys in their nest. So I have to put their nest to hide it up here because the dang guineas get into it and tear it all apart on them. And Carter's fancy pigeons actually had a nest up here and they destroyed it. So I'll see if they had any more eggs yet. They seem to be. They seem to be pretty good at having their babies in here, but they only raised 1 egg. I found right there, it's underneath a pile of poop and straw, so I ain't messing with it right now, but I found the other egg, so must not have been any good and they kicked it out or something. Oh, what's going on? There you go, focus. So yeah, the Mohawk brothers, the peacock and the guinea hens, And now, Mama and Papa Pigeon have 2 babies. So, at least we got somebody successfully raising children around here. I don't know, we'll see. Turkey, old Red, she really wants to be a mama. So hopefully, now that we got Tommy Turkey in there, maybe next year or this spring she'll be able to be a mama. Hopefully, unless you need a baby turkeys running around. Hey Tommy, hi buddy, what you up to, huh? What you up to? Oh, here's the cats. And there's old Red and the 3 Stooges. Huh, little jerks. Keep them penned up so they're not getting in trouble. Yeah, getting in trouble. Alright guys, I think I'm going to call that the end so I can get the rest of my chores done. Crow flying by. So yeah, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and see you in the next one. Alright, later guys.